Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Devin. Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully, I got a new mic here, so hopefully y'all can see me. Yeah, see my breath right now. My God, it's cold out here. So pretty much, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what is going on with me. I know I've been gone for like a month, and I've been trying to make more videos, but I have not been like motivated. Not like motivated, also motivated, not really motivated. Is just a lot. Like, mother-in-law was in town, got fully vaccinated, so I was really tired. Luckily, no other symptoms, but I was just pretty tired overall. I also had a really kind of bad period also. Then went to a graduation in New Mexico, so there's been those kind of factors too as well. And I just want to say I'm proud of myself right now for even recording around my apartment because, I have like social anxiety, or I think it's kind of weird. So there's that portion of it. But something happened recently, something I did not ever want to have happen again, but it has happened. And that is I am right now 250 pounds. Yes, I am 250. I weighed in yesterday morning for this, so I'll have the pictures, the scale, and all that. I'm not mad at myself, but it's like, damn, like I haven't been 250 in years, so it kind of sucks. I just feel like it's just been rough that my gym has been closed for like a month and a half now. It has been, so that has been hard on me. And then they're like, oh, well, you can go to our other location for free since they're closed for like renovations. But it's like that gym is like 25 minute drive away. And with my schedule, and for me to get adequate amount of sleep, I'm usually up like at this time. For example, it's like 6 a.m. But to go wake up and just go directly to the gym, then like shower, then drive to work, which is on the complete opposite side of town, that's like a lot. Or it's like if I go to the gym, God, I cannot see with the sun out here. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting when the sun's out, I want to take off my glasses, get some vitamin D in my eyes. I always forget that because I've been on walks here because it's been cold, which I want to start doing also as well. But when I get to the gym, I get out of work. It's like 5:30 p.m., which is, it's already dark here at 5:30. And then, like I said, I gotta go to the other side of town, so that's probably about like a 45 minute to an hour drive just to go to the gym. So I don't feel like doing that, like just to be honest, I just really don't. And there's a gym at my job, but I can't use it right now, so that sucks. So hopefully I'll be able to use it soon. So that's also what's been going on. I could contribute to the weight gain or just the holidays. Like I said, mother-in-law in town, graduation, Christmas is coming up, holiday parties at the office because we don't have to go to the office for the next 2 weeks. All the parties was last week. So it's been a lot of that, but I think I found a way to kind of combat it going forward. Like my goal is for the rest of the year to either be 250 or under, not to gain any weight. That's just my only goal. It's just maintenance. Because at the same time, though, I do feel like I don't want to sit there like, you can't eat this, you can't eat that. That's one thing I will say I'm most definitely trying to avoid, is that. So even with what I got going on forward, which I'm going to make a whole video about, I call it my satiation score. Even with that, it's not demonizing food because, let's be real, we all know this. When you demonize food, it just most times does not work out right. Some people can do it. Some people like good, bad, but that's like a few. Like maybe like 5% can do that, and the rest of us were just like, no, I still want it though. But then you start feeling guilty about having it, and that's not what I'm trying to do here. So my arm's getting tired. It really is. So overall, I think that's just the plan here, is just finding ways to combat it. Or even, I don't like that angle, going back. The struggle, my arm's just gonna suffer right now. But overall, I feel like just finding ways to combat that, or even just habits, just getting more movement in. Like I said, trying to go on my walks here right now, so that I get some kind of movement in. I am also just going back to the whole gym thing. Because of that, I forgot to mention that I even considered not going to the gym anymore, like canceling my gym membership. And with that, like I've been showing you guys, I have club bells, I have like a maze, I have kettlebells, and so I'm gonna be putting work to those. I also bought like a little hiking rod, which McKenna and I are gonna try to use like as staffs. You want to like staff stuff too. So I feel like anytime I work out at home, I feel like I'm just gonna record it, and that's just gonna be my video. That way you guys can see what I am doing. I watch a lot of Mark Wildman's videos, so I'm probably gonna do his nerd map stuff. Oh, my arm, just a second real quick. See, my arm, I don't have like endurance at all when it comes to doing stuff, so working with kettlebells is definitely gonna help, because kettlebells is a lot of strength and endurance. I should wear gloves. My hands are cold. I get cold super quick, so I'm pretty cold right now. Especially my hands, first to get cold. So I'll probably just show you guys my workouts and all that, or even just different random kind of workouts I'm gonna do. Like I'm gonna get a water case. I'm gonna do a water case workout, going up and down the steps, because I also want to have like functional or like everyday use kind of like endurance. Like I can do it, but like if I carry like 3 cases up the steps, I'm gonna be tired. So just to build that endurance, just random things, just having fun with it. I want to do overall. So that's what going forward. And for 2022, that's the year. Yeah. We're still in 2021. So that is the year. These cars past me are making me nervous. They're like, probably, what the hell is she doing? And all that. But I'm still gonna record. Hearing this guy, the nervousness. So I think overall, that's what we're gonna do. Cause right now we're like at 1,000. Good morning. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Like I said, right now we're like over like 1,000 subscribers, 1,020. So thank y'all for that. And I don't want you to feel like, oh yeah, I'll subscribe, but like I'm not gonna be posting, because I don't want that. So I'm gonna keep trying posting some stuff, some content, because I really enjoy making content. It's just a lot of clutter too. Like, to be honest, I was gonna do this video in my office, but too much was going on here. Way too much. This morning I spent like 15 minutes trying to set that up, and it was not happening. So I found myself to set it up, just go on my walk. So I was like, let's get some fresh air anyways here. So I think that's the overall goal. I will say this double chin, I'm not gonna lie, this double chin does bother me, because I feel like lots of my weight, I don't think it's like too big of a difference, because I started at 236 this year to be 250. Me personally, maybe I'm just being delusional, but I don't see way too much. I know there's a difference, because my waist is now like 42 inches when it was like 37, 38. So that's a big difference. My clothes tell me it's a big difference. But like my face, really, to me, is my most noticeable one, is my face, where you see the double chin. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't like that double chin. I mean, I'm not gonna say her in front, but like body positive and all that. No, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at all. So I gotta drop like 20, probably, and it'll probably like be gone. So that's also the plan. But we'll see going forward. Michaela, she won't tell me what she got me for Christmas, and usually I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. But right now it's like I don't want to go to the gym no more, because I don't want to rely on the gym. I don't want to rely on the gym, and so and then there's lots of just home workouts. Sometimes I say like these cardio ones, they're good, but sometimes I just don't want to do them. So I'm not homework and working out or like training. It hits different watching a video instead of just doing it. So just doing the workout I can, but just trying to follow along. I don't know, there's something, don't know why, but those ones I'm not like a fan of mentally. I don't know. Could be all just in my head, but I just don't ever want to do them, like following along at home. It's like weird for me. Don't know why. But she won't tell me, because I was thinking either buying a treadmill, either buying a stationary like bike, either like a cycling bike, elliptical, or a rower. Buying one of the 4. And I don't want to buy anything if she already bought me something. Because I'll ask her, I'm like, so did you buy me kind of fitness equipment? She's just like, I don't know. I'm like, this is the one of those things I need to know. So like, I really want to know, because my thought process is I watch a lot of TV. I watch a lot of like anime. So it's like, I tried several times to watch as much. I tried several times to stop watching so much TV. But I want to make it a thing now where it's like, me to watch TV, I gotta do some kind of like cardio, watching TV. Just kill two birds with one stone, watch anime and work out, because anime is very motivational, just seeing 12-year-olds kicking ass. So it's very motivational to see that. So that's my goal. So I just need to know if she got me something or not. Because if she didn't give me anything, then I'm gonna buy something. But she won't tell me because we've been having these talks about it. So I was like, I don't know. God, my hands are freezing cold right now. My hands are, they're ashy too. Freezing cold right now. My God. But overall, I don't want to make this video, keep this video too long. So I'm gonna make videos regarding some of the changes I'm making, like the satiation score. I'm gonna make that video. So thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you. I know, Shy. I know. I'm sorry, because you're the one. You're like, yeah, should I like please make another video? And I'm like, I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna try it, but I was like, I'm gonna do it. New video out. And one thing, procrastination. This video was supposed to be done yesterday. Supposed to be recording it. Now I'm recording this morning just to upload it today. So I got you. Keep me accountable, guys. Like honestly, keep me accountable. If you want to see this pretty face, let me know. Like, hey, Devin, where you been? I got you. I'll make a video. Oh my God, there's this rock right there. I almost fell. On that rock right now. Jesus, end of my life. But let me know, because I keep you accountable. Anything you guys want to see content-wise, let me know. Or kind of commentary, because I miss doing commentary videos. I might do some of those as well. Those are fun. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Oh, don't fall.